Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome to BSN, Business Source Network. I'm Sheretha Gordon, the owner of Strategic Steps Consulting. And the question I'm going to answer for you today is, why do I need to do research? Most of the time when I'm teaching and helping entrepreneurs, they ask the questions, where do I start? Where do I start, right? But some of them say, well, why do I have to do research? So I'm going to put it into one question. Why do I need to do research? The bottom line is, how do you start something and make it feasible, profitable, and sustainable if you have not learned everything you need to know about it, or at least done the homework to see if it is a feasible idea? So I would say to you 4 things. 1, you have to make sure you research about you. You have to do a SWOT on yourself, a strengths, weaknesses, and opportunity and threat on you. If I don't know me, what am I bringing to the table? Am I strong at things, weak at things? What are the opportunities I'm bringing? Am I able to monetize those opportunities? What threat? Am I a threat to my business because I don't know how to budget? Am I an opportunity to my business because I have a degree? Am I have weaknesses where I don't like to talk to people? These matter. Why? Because I need to make sure that I set myself up to be successful, not to fail. So doing my research and understanding all these things about myself will help me navigate into the next step. Number 2, I have to know legally what am I required to do and what regulations affect my business. I don't have to know the law. I just need to understand legally what does it take for me to do what I'm doing, right? If I do not do that homework, I may end up in orange and shackles, and they don't look good on anyone if I have not prepared myself for the legal ramifications behind what I'm trying to build. Number 3, I have to make sure I understand my market and my industry. My market is who's going to buy it. It's my customer. Who are these people? Are they young? Are they old? Are they rich? Do they live in the suburbs? Do they live in winter place states? Do they live in a certain state or a certain place? Do they eat a certain place? I need to understand that market. That's called my target market. And I also need to understand my industry. What's going on in my industry? You have the retail industry, you have the transportation industry, you have a restaurant industry, you have crafts industry, automotive industry, all these different industries, the music industry. What am I entering and what's going on in it? What are the things that are going to affect me when I start my business? All right. Then we have to think about number 4. That is my finances. Am I financially stable to start a business? Am I financially sound to start a business? Do I have any money set aside to start this business? And I know you're saying people have started businesses without money. And this is true. People have started businesses without money, but they use someone else's money. And in order for me to do that, I got to have the other 3 done for someone to invest in me. So I need to make sure that I do my research. And once I have enough information and the correct data, I'm able to make the correct decisions about my business and the correct decisions about my idea. So, number 1, the number 1 thing you should do when you get ready to start is research. So, why should I research? Because I need the data to make sure that my business is going to be feasible, sustainable, and profitable. Thank you for the opportunity to talk to you today. I will see you next time. Have a good day. Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again